Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Listen, you need to hear this. The biggest institutions on the planet are quietly preparing for a future where Bitcoin plays a central role, and almost no retail investors understand why. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so whenever global markets get shaky, people assume Bitcoin should collapse with everything else. But that assumption ignores what Bitcoin was created for. Bitcoin wasn't designed to calm volatility. It was designed for a world that's becoming more unstable every year. Just look at the past 12 months. Governments diluting currencies at record speed. Global debt exploding past $350 trillion. Major financial rails showing cracks. And massive platforms like Amazon Web Services going offline and dragging banks, airlines, and payment apps down with them. Yet through all of that chaos, Bitcoin didn't change. The code didn't move. The monetary policy didn't shift. The supply didn't inflate. Bitcoin simply kept running, unaffected by all the systems that continue to fail. And this is the part people ignore when they judge Bitcoin by its weekly price chart. The value of a neutral, permissionless monetary network becomes most obvious when the traditional system starts losing control. Right now is one of those moments. Governments worldwide have turned money printing into their default emergency response. In the US alone, more than $10 trillion in new debt has been added in just 4 years. That dilution destroys purchasing power and pushes asset prices further away from economic reality. Bitcoin is the exact opposite. It can't be printed, it can't be manipulated, it can't be politically adjusted. The price moves, but the rules never do. And in a world defined by distortion, that consistency matters. At the institutional level, the shift is even clearer. Global liquidity relies on ultra-fast settlement, yet traditional financial rails can't keep up. That's why major players are experimenting with blockchain-based settlement. JP Morgan is settling intraday repos on-chain. Central banks are testing tokenized collateral. Funding markets are being rebuilt around programmable money. Bitcoin didn't join that system, it inspired it. It proved that money can move globally without middlemen, delays, or hidden risks. Now the legacy world is trying to catch up, and if you want proof of why decentralization matters, just look back at the AWS outage. Huge companies went down, banks went down, payment apps went down, but Bitcoin, still running, still confirming blocks, still online. That resilience wasn't accidental, it was the whole point. People want Bitcoin to act like a stock. Predictable, easy, stable. But if Bitcoin behaved like the traditional system, it wouldn't be Bitcoin. When currencies dilute, Bitcoin stays fixed. When institutions wobble, Bitcoin stays permissionless. When infrastructure breaks, Bitcoin stays online. The world changes, Bitcoin doesn't, and that reliability is exactly why institutions are moving toward it. Now let me ask you this, do you think Bitcoin's role in the global financial system is still underestimated? Or are institutions finally catching on? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.